Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the one words in Unit 1. Okay, so all the topics over in Unit 1, what are they? Units of some basic physical quantities, and then dimension analysis, and 3, what are the methods to be measure the length of the triangulation method, radar method, then that all are discussed in the previous classes. Okay, in today we will discuss about the one words in book back. Okay, so first, before enter this topic, all of you take one note and note down the steps to be followed to solve the one words. Okay, the inner book back having more and more problems. One words nale உங்களுக்கு problematic ah irukku, so நீங்க first you have to understood the how to solve that. Okay, so first one word, one of the combination from the fundamental physical constants is h c by g. Okay, h c by g, the unit of this expression is h c by g. Okay, ஒரு physical quantity constant கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, அதை நீ எப்படி எக்ஸ்பிரஸ் பண்ணுவ அப்படின்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க, அதோட யூனிட் என்னன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. Okay, so first one is h c by g. h c by g. Okay, so first you know that first you have to learn thoroughly the dimension formula for all the things. In our book having one table, that the table you have to understand first and learn first, and then after you have to work out all the problems. So first, what is the dimension formula for Planck's constant? H is Planck's constant. What is the dimension formula? M L square T power minus 1. That is the dimension formula for Planck's constant. H is Planck's constant. The dimension formula for Planck's constant is M L square T power minus 1. And C is velocity. What is the dimension formula for velocity? That is L T power minus 1. Then denominator is G is gravitational constant. What is the dimension formula for gravitational constant? M power minus 1, L cube, and T power minus 2. Okay, so dimension formula for Planck's constant M L square T power minus 1, and C is L T power minus 1, and G is M power minus 1, L cube, T power minus 2. That are all our dimension formula for HCG. Okay, so we have to calculate that. First M is there, then L square, L is there, so L power 2, L power 1, so L power 3, and T power minus 1, T power minus 1, so T power minus 2, then by M power minus 1, L cube, T power minus 2. Okay, then we taking M 1, so M power 1, இந்த M மேலே போச்சுனீங்கன்னா plus 1, and L power 3, and L cube will be going the numerator part, so L power minus 3, and L power minus 2, the denominator L T power minus 2 will be going the numerator plus 2. Okay, it will be equal to M power square, M square, or M power 2, L power 0, and T power 0. We consider this value is 1, this value is 1. So we only having M square. What is M? What is M? That is mass. What's the unit of mass? It is kilogram. So unit is kilogram square. This is the answer. The option is A. Okay, kilogram square. How will you derive that, ma? So first put the dimension formula for H, and put the dimension formula for C, and put the dimension formula for G. Then you have to taking you will be taking the denominator to numerator. Okay, so denominator எல்லாத்தையும் numerator கொண்டு போனீங்க அப்படின்னா பவர் எல்லாம் ஆட் பண்ணி நீங்க ஃபைனல் ஆன்சர் கொடுக்கும்போது m ஸ்கொயர் வருது. So m is the unit of mass is kilogram, so kilogram square, so kilogram square the answer, so option A. Then go for the second one. If the error in the measurement of radius is 2%, then the error in the determination of volume of the sphere is, so error in the measurement of radius measure பண்ணும்போது 2% error வந்திருக்கு, then the error in the determination of volume of the sphere is, so you have to put the value of radius, we will find out the volume. The error, it will be doubled or tripled, it will be the asking question. Okay, this is the asking question. So how will you calculate, ma? So what is the volume of the sphere? Radius value it will be giving in the percentage of 2%. but we will find out the volume. So volume it will be equal to radius cube, that is volume it will be equal to a cube, side cube. So r cube, how will you calculate? So one formula is there, r power n is equal to power of one quantity, r power n is equal to n into del r by r. Already I explained in the previous class how to calculate the error in the power, taking the power of one quantity. ஒரு குவான்டிட்டிக்கு பவர் நீங்கள் எடுக்கும்போது அதோட எரரோட நீங்கள் எப்படி ப்ரொபகேட் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா r power n is equal to n into del power r by r. So we substitute this value also, r cube, so 3 into del r by r. Okay, so 3 into, substitute the del r value, substitute the r value. What's the del r value, what's the r value? Not to be considered, because the del r by r it will be already taken as error, that is will be called as del r by r. So we substitute 2%, so it's easily find out 6%. So 6% is the answer. This is the final answer. In your book the option D, so you have to mark 6%. So you have to take a book and then note, and then you have to mention that how will you derive the volume of the sphere by using the radius. So radius of the sphere having some error, so volume of the sphere, radius of the sphere having 2% error, so volume of the sphere will be multiplied 3 times, so 6% error will be created, because the radius, so volume is the cube of the error, radius. So radius நீங்கள் cube பண்ணும்போது automatically இந்த 2% 6% ஆகும். Okay ma? Then go for the third one. If the length and time period of an oscillating pendulum have errors of 1% and 3% respectively, then the error in measurement acceleration due to gravity is. So length and time period it will be measured by pendulum. So error is 1% and 3%. So length of the error, length error is del L is equal to third one, del L by L is equal to 1%. Then acceleration due to gravity value with the percentage of percentages, del G by G is equal to 3%. Okay, so error in length, error in acceleration due to gravity 1% and 3%. In your book it will be given. So we want to find out the measurement of acceleration due to gravity error. So error it will be created in measurement of acceleration due to gravity. What's the formula for time period in pendulum? Time period of pendulum T, it will be equal to 2 pi root of L by G. This is the formula for time period of a pendulum. So we want acceleration due to gravity G. So we want acceleration due to gravity G. This is not a G value, this is the time period value, sorry. This is the time period, that is del T by T. Del T by T. So del L by L is equal to 1%, del T by T is 3%. So T is equal to 2 pi into root of L by G. Okay. So we want G. So taking the squaring on both sides, T square is equal to 4 pi square L by G. Okay. Square root will be removed by squaring on both sides. So we want G. So G is equal to 4 pi square and L by T square. Okay. So 4 pi square L by T square is the G value. This is a constant, so you have to ignore that. Del G by G, we want error in acceleration due to gravity. So del G by G is equal to del L by L plus 2 into del T by T. Okay. So del G by G is equal to del L by L plus 2 into del T by T. We substitute the del L by L value is 1%. So 1% plus 2 into del T by T is 3%. So 3%. So is easily 1% plus 6%, it will be equal to 7%. This is the percentage error in acceleration due to gravity. So first the problem la enna kuduthirukanga length நீங்க மெஷர் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க, டைம் இந்த பர்టిక్యులர் டைம்க்கு பர்టిక్యులர் length மென்ஷன் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. So time having some error and length having some error, it will be given in the problem. But how to calculate the error in acceleration due to gravity? Okay, so first we choose the formula for time period. T is equal to 2 pi root of L by G. So T square it will be find out and G value it will be find out. Constant does not having dimension analysis or product of constant நம்ம எடுத்துக்கிட மாட்டோம். ஓகேவா, டைமென்ஷன் அனாலிசிஸில் எரரில் கேல்குலேட் பண்ண நாட் டைமென்ஷன் அனாலிசிஸில் எடுத்துக்க மாட்டோம், எரர் கேல்குலேட் பண்ணும்போதும் கன்சிடர் பண்ண மாட்டோம். ஸோ del G by G is equal to del L by L plus 2 into del T by T. So substitute the del L by L value, substitute the del T by del value, we easily find out the 7%. So this is the D option. Okay, and next we will go for the fourth one. The length of a body is measured as 3.51 meter. If the accuracy is 0.01 millimeter, then the percentage error in the measurement is. Okay, so length of the body having some error, and length of the body it will be measured as one value, then the error value it will be given, that is 0.01. How will you calculate the percentage error? Okay, so select up. So we consider as a third problem, length value will be given, error value will be given. How will you calculate the percentage error to measurement of length? Okay, so first, so del L, what's the del L value? What is the L value given as? Del L is accuracy in kuduthanga, this is the L value. So L value is 0.01 millimeter, del L is 0.01 millimeter, and then length of the body L is equal to, length of the body L is equal to 3.51 millimeter. In your book just mention L value is 3.51 meter, so you have to change it, the L value is 3.51 millimeter. Okay, clear that ma? Because option is having so one that the value 2 it will be considered as the millimeter or meter. Okay, so உன்னோட புக்கில் 3.51 மீட்டர் மட்டும் தான் கொடுத்துருக்கு, மில்லிமீட்டர் நீங்கள் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Okay, so how will you calculate the percentage error in this measurement? So we want del L by L into 100. Percentage error means del L by L into 100%. So it will be equal to del L, we substitute 0.01 and L is 3.51 into 100. Okay, so 0.01 into 100, 1 by 3.51. 3.51, that it will be 0.28%. So this is option C. Okay, how will you calculate ma? Del L value it will be given, L value it will be given, so easily find out the percentage error by the multiplying of 100. So substitute the del L value, substitute the L value, and multiply with 100. So easily get 0.28. So 100 are multiply பண்ணனா it will be called as a percentage error. This is the option C. Okay, then the next fifth one already I explained in the previous session. So sixth one, if pi is equal to 3.14, then the value of pi square is, pi value is 3.14. So the value of pi square is, so value of pi square is, pi value is 3.14. How will you calculate the pi square? 3.514 into 3.14. So 3.14 into 3.14, pi it will be equal to 3.14. Already you know that. Okay, so we want pi square 3.14. So pi square is equal to 3.14 into 3.14. You have to multiply the 2, that it will be equal to 9.8596. Okay, so 9.8596, how will you round off ma? 9.8. So the previous number you have to increase by 1. So 860, other than that 9.860 or 9.86 or 9.9. The 4 option is there in your book. Okay, that is A, B, C, D. That all are the correct answer, but the 4 option is there. A, B, C, D no book la irukkude, but which one is correct? Because the given value 3.14 it will be in a 3 digit. So you have to mention the answer also 3 digit. What's the 3 digit answer? That is 9.86. இங்கே உனக்கு கொஷினில் பையோட வேல்யூ 3 டிஜிட்டில் தான் உனக்கு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஸோ யூ ஹேவ் டு மென்ஷன் த பை ஸ்கொயர் வேல்யூ இட் வில் பி இன் 3 significant figure digits. So 3 significant figure is 9.86. This is the correct answer. Okay, then go for the next one. So 7th one, you have to know the dimensional formula for all the things. You have to easily mention. So 7th one answer is B, dark, and energy. because pack having the dimension formula is ml square t power minus 2 and energy is having also ml square t power minus 2. So both the physical quantities having the same dimension. This is the answer, 7th one. And 8th one also, the dimension formula for blank constant H's. What's the answer? Blank's constant dimension formula is m l square t power minus 1. Option A, m l square t power minus 1. And 9th one, the velocity of a particle v at the instant t is given by v is equal to at plus pt square. At plus pt square. Clear that ma? So v is equal to at plus pt square. The dimensions of b is. Question is v is equal to. Question is v is equal to at plus vt square. Okay. Substitute the dimension formula for all the things. L t power minus 1. Okay. Velocity. Then acceleration L t power minus 2 and t. Okay. Then b t square means b value doesn't know. Okay. T square is t power 2. Clear that pa? So okay. So L t power minus 1 in the left hand side and right hand side is L t power minus 1 t power 1. So L t power minus 1 plus b into t square. This is almost the same. Okay. So doesn't want to equalize, and then you have to equalize the last one. L t power minus 1 is equal to p into t square. We want b. So b is equal to, we want b. b is equal to L t power minus 1 by t square. So L t power minus 1, 2 minus 2. So answer is L t power minus 3. L t power minus 3. Option D. How will you calculate ma? Substitute the dimension formula for all the things. You have to equalize the left and right hand side part. So substitute the dimension formula for V, substitute the dimension formula for A, substitute the dimension formula for T, and then you have to equalize to the left and right side part. So first left side, it will be equalized to the first term of the right side. So L t power minus 1, L t power minus 1, it will be the same. So that's not to be considered. And second one, L t power minus 1 is equal to p into t square. So we want b. So b is equal to L t power minus 1 by t square. So easily find out L t power minus 3. This is the option D. So 9th one, option D is the answer. Okay. And then 10th one, dimensional formula for gravitational constant G is, already I tell in the first one word. What's the formula ma? M power minus 1 L cube t power minus 2. This is the dimensional formula for gravitational constant. And 11th one, we will go for 11th one. The density of a material is, density of a material is density of a material is in CGS system. CGS system on value it will be given. How will you convert the SI system? Okay, we ask. So CGS system, the D1 value it will be D1 density of a material. Okay, density is 4 gram centimeter per minus 3. Okay, and we want D2. CGS சிஸ்டத்தில் D1 கொடுத்துட்டாங்க, D2 என்னன்னு ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. ஓகேவா? ஸோ தென் ஆல்ரெடி வி டேக் M1, L1 and T1. ஓகே, தென் we want M2, L2 and D2. Okay, so in CGS system M1 is 1 gram. Okay, in your book having one value it will be given, that is 100 gram. So, okay, 100 gram it will be given. So 100 gram. Okay, 100 gram already it will be given in our book, but that the value it will be given in the in a system of units in which a length is 10 centimeter and unit of mass is 100 centimeter. The value of system, second system, having the length is 10 centimeter, having the mass is 100 gram. Okay, second system 10 centimeter 100 gram இருக்குன்னு உனக்கு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. So okay, so இப்போ இங்கே வந்து 1 gram. The second system is SI system. So the M2 value is 100 gram. Okay, L1 value is 1 centimeter. But the second system length is 10 centimeter. Okay ma. Then T1 value is 1 second and 1 second. But because that value is not being given. By using the first applications of dimension analysis, what is the first application? To convert a physical quantity from one system of unit to another one system. How will you put them? How will you put the value? And then first you have to mention the A, B value. A, B value, first mention the dimension formula for density. Dimension formula for density is M L power minus 3. So what's the A value, what's the B value, what's the C value ma? M power A, L power B, T power C, it will be equal to M power 1, L power minus 3, T power 0. You have to compare the two quantities, then we easily mention A, B, C value. What's the A value? 1. What's the B value? That is minus 3. What's the C value? That will be 0. Okay, so we substitute all the values. First D1 into M1 A power B, L1 B, T1 C, it will be equal to D2 into M2 A, L2 B, T2 C. Okay ma? Okay, so we want D2. So D2 is equal to D1 into M1 by M2. D2 so M1 by M2 the whole power A, L1 by L2, L1 by L2 the whole power B, and T1 by T2, T1 by T2 the whole power C. Okay, so D1 into M1 by M2 the whole power A, L1 by L2 the whole power B, T1 B2 D2 whole power C. Substitute the D1 value, M1, M2, all the values. So how will you substitute ma? So M1, M2, M3 values and A, B is a value we have to substitute. What's the D1 value? That is 4 gram. So 4 into, what is the M1 value? M1 is 1 gram, M2 value is 100 gram and A value is 1. Then L1 value is 1 centimeter and L2 value is 10 centimeter. The whole power B value is minus 3 and T1 is 1 second and T2 is 1 second and C is 0. Okay. Substitute the D1 value, M1, M2, L1, L2, T1, T2 and A, B, C also. So 4 into 1 gram by 100 gram. So 100 gram is 10 square. So 10 power minus 2 into 1. Okay. Minus 3 into 1 minus 2 and then second one 1 centimeter by 10 centimeter. So 10 power minus 1 the whole power minus 3. So that also is 1. Okay, so 4 into 10 power minus 2 into 10 power plus 3. So 10 power minus 2, 10 power plus 3. So 4 into 10 power 1, that is 40. Density formula is 40. In your book is 40, it will be given. So gram, centimeter, gram, it will be kilogram meter per minus 3 in SI system. So 40 kilogram meter per minus 3 is the third option, C. Okay, how will you measure ma? It's a very big detail. It will be asking in one word. இது ஒரு டீட்டெயில் கொஸ்டினாக உனக்கு ஒன் வேர்டாக கேட்காங்க. ஸோ நீ ஈஸியாக அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணால் மட்டும்தான் இந்த மாதிரி ஈஸியாக நீங்கள் ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ண முடியும். ஒரு வேல்யூவை D1 வேல்யூவை ஒரு டென்சிட்டி வேல்யூவை சிஜிஎஸ்எஸ்ஸில் கொடுத்துட்டு எஸ்ஐஎஸ்எஸ்ஸில் கன்வெர்ட் பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. இது வந்து டிப்பிக்கல் இஸ் ஜஸ்ட் லைக் அ டீட்டெயில் பட் இல் பி ஆஸ்கிங் இன் ஒன் வேர்ட். ஸோ யூ ஹேவ் டு லேர்ன் thoroughly the dimension formula for all the physical quantities, then easily it will be work out the one words. Okay, then we will go for the 12th one. What is the 12th question? If the force is proportional to square of velocity, then the dimension of proportionality constant is. Force is proportional to square of velocity. What's the meaning that? Proportional. What's the meaning? Proportional means F proportional V square. Automatically, proportion will be cancelled by applying one constant, that is K into V square. This is force constant. In this problem, we want the dimension of proportionality constant. So, we want proportionality constant K. So, K is equal to F by V square. Substitute the dimension formula for force, substitute the dimension formula for velocity. What's the dimension formula for force? M L T power minus 2 by dimension formula for velocity, that is L T power minus 1 the whole power square. So, M square M L T power minus 2. The denominator L square T power minus 2. Okay. The common term is M L power 1 L power minus 2 T power minus 2 T power minus 2 plus 2. So, M L power minus 1 T power 0. So, answer is M L power minus 1. What is the option ma? That is M L power T power 0. That is the answer. This is the option D. Okay. M L power T power minus 1. So, simply the force will be directly proportional to velocity square will be given. So, we want the proportional, we want constant to change, cancel the proportional. So, the constant will be called as proportionality constant. So, K is equal to F by V square. Substitute the dimension formula for force, substitute the dimension formula for velocity. M L T power minus 2, L T power minus 1 the whole square, and then M L T power minus 2 by L square T power minus 2, and then M L power 1 the power, so minus 2 in denominator will be going the numerator, 1 minus 2 T power minus 2 plus 2, then M L power minus 1 T power 0. This is the final answer. Then go for the 13th one. I just explained the 13th one. You have to work out the all the other two. Okay. So 13th one only I will work out. Then you have to try to find out the answer for 14 and 15. Okay. The 13th one, the dimensions of mu naught and epsilon naught whole power minus 1 by 2. So the dimension formula for mu naught and epsilon naught the whole power minus 1 by 2. What's the meaning that? Mu naught is the permeability of a material. Epsilon naught is the permittivity of a material. What's the difference between permeability and permittivity? Permeability means permit the magnetic field through their own way, it will be called permeability. So, permittivity and permeability ஒன்று தான், ரெண்டுமே வந்து தான் வெளியே எலக்ட்ரிக் ஃபீல்டை மேக்னெட்டிக் ஃபீல்டை அலோவ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு பேர் தான் permeability and permittivity. So, permeability எந்த இடத்துல யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா, permeability, one material having permeability, it will be allow the magnetic field through their own way. தான் வெளியே மேக்னெட்டிக் ஃபீல்ட் அலோவ் பண்ணிச்சுன்னா அது permeability, அந்த மெட்டீரியல் having permeability. But one material will be allow the electric field pass through their way, that will be having the permittivity, that is epsilon. Then permeability in free phase is mu naught, permittivity in free phase is epsilon naught. Okay, so in this problem it will be given 1 by square root of mu naught and epsilon naught. Okay, this is the problem. We substitute the mu naught and epsilon naught value. What is mu naught? What is epsilon naught? Mu naught dimension formula for mu naught is 1 by square root of, dimensional formula for mu naught is Newton, sorry, not a dimensional formula, it's a unit of mu naught is Newton meter second square, coulomb per minus 2 and meter per minus 1. This is the unit for mu naught. Okay, then the unit for epsilon naught is, unit for epsilon naught is coulomb square, Newton per minus 1, meter per minus 2. So, Newton meter second square, coulomb per minus 2 into meter per 1 is the unit for mu naught. Coulomb square, Newton per minus 1, meter per minus 2 is the unit for epsilon naught. Okay, ma? Okay. Then we substitute all the equal terms. It will be taking Newton is there. So, Newton per minus 1 is there. Okay, it will be cancelled. And then meter power 1, meter power minus 1, meter power minus 2. So not to be cancelled, and then after that meter power 1, meter power minus 1, meter power minus 2. Then second power minus 2, inge plus 2 will be cancelled. Remains meter power minus 1 and plus 1, it will be cancelled. So square root of meter power minus 1 only, and second square also. So meter power minus 2 and second square. So taking the square root 1 by meter power minus 2. So meter power minus 1, second square s. So meter per meter will be taken in upside. Meter second power meter power minus 1 will be taking the numerator meter. Second will be taken as numerator meter per second. So meter per second is the unit of velocity. Is the unit of velocity. So how will you derive that, ma? You substitute the unit of mu naught, substitute the unit of epsilon naught. First you should know about the unit of mu naught, substitute the know about the unit of epsilon naught. இது ரெண்டு அதோட யூனிட்டை போட்டு காமனானதெல்லாம் கட் பண்ணிட்டு பேலன்ஸ் இருக்கிறத எடுத்து எழுதியிருக்காங்க. ஸோ ஸ்கொயர் ரூட் ஆஃப் மீட்டர் பவர் minus 2 செகண்ட் ஸ்கொயர்னு வருது. ஸோ டேக்கிங் த ஸ்கொயர் ரூட் மீட்டர் ஸ்கொயர் இட் வில் பி coming out the meter power minus 1, second square will be coming out second. So meter second power minus 1 and is the final formula for velocity. So mu naught and epsilon will be explained that mu naught square root of mu naught epsilon naught the whole power minus 2, it will be explained the formula for velocity. So this is the formula for velocity of electromagnetic waves. You will learn in 5th lesson. Okay. Then you have to try the problems 14 and 15. Okay, 14 and 15 you have to try it. Then in the today's session I explained the 13 one words in your book back. Okay, you have to try. Okay, I have to explain the 14th one also. Planck's constant h, speed of light in vacuum, and Newton's gravitational constant are taken as 3 fundamental constants. Which of the following combination of the 3 as dimensions of length? Option 4 option is given. இதில் எது வந்து which of the following combination has the dimensions of length? எதோடைய value it will be giving the dimensions of length. Just this will be giving the dimensions of length L. You have to try it. 4 you have to use. You substitute the Planck's constant dimension, gravitational constant dimension, and velocity of dimension. It will be applied. Which one it will be giving the dimensions of length? You have to find out. And 15th one. 4 formula it will be given. With the formula it will be also given the dimensions of length. 4 equations கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. இந்த 4ல எது வந்து உனக்கு length உடைய dimension கொடுக்கும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி question கேட்டுருக்காங்க. Okay, so we substitute the n value and q value, it will be easily find out the unit of length. So okay, so in this session I explained the one word in the book back. Okay, so you have to learn thoroughly the one words and then you have to work out 14 and 15th one word. So today home assignment for this session, learn the one words, learn the one words in your book back, learn the one words and work out the one word, work out the 14th and 15th one word. Okay, then all of you have to copy all the one words explanation in your classwork note. Okay, thank you.